The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Code Health.
Welcome back to Bloom. Summer traveling is in full effect, and while doing so, it can sometimes be hard to maintain your immunity and energy while on the go. Joining me now are the founders of Code Health, board-certified doctor of natural medicine, Dr. Lisa Piper and Wendy Cohn-Osborne, with more on staying healthy while traveling. Ladies, it's always so good to see you both.
You also.
So Wendy, let's start with you. What is Code, and how does it help build our immunity?
Code is very simply a line of non-toxic, drug-free therapeutics that work with your body's innate wisdom. That's as simple as that. It's made up of energy, salt, and water. No drugs, no side effects. But the thing is that when we're traveling, we go into different environments, we sleep in hotels, we're under stress just to even get to where we want to go, right? Even that's stressful. So there are so many of our products that help with summer travel.
And you can actually have a cute little travel pack that you can take along with your family. What's included in that?
So we have the full kit, which is this one here. And we designed this size for the whole family because each bottle individually has approximately 300 drops. So for example, if you're taking one formula twice a day, that's a 5-month supply. Whereas this little travel guy is approximately 60 drops in each bottle, so that would be about a 1-month supply. So this is great for the individual on the go, while this is great for the whole family and even your pets.
Yeah, I wanted to talk about the pets, because you did not leave our four-legged friends behind, and you can use the same products on them as well, correct?
Absolutely. And we do. I mean, Wendy, what, your dog takes 3 formulas? My dog takes 3 formulas every day as well.
Yeah, the products are safe for people and animals of all ages and sizes. It's the same one drop, works for all. So just like Lisa said, my dog takes 3 products a day, 3 formulas. Lisa, your dog takes?
He might be taking 4 right now because he's having a little anxiety. So I've been giving him the Calm, which is fantastic with the holiday, the 4th of July holiday coming up, and any holidays where we shoot off fireworks. A lot of our little furry friends are afraid and they get all nervous and scared, and a drop of Calm is life-changing for them.
And is it like with the humans, you put it like just in their mouth and let them, or in their water?
You can put it under their tongue or in their cheek, but we say just simply take a drop, put it on a treat, and you can give the dog the treat. Or if your dog, you know that it's going to finish the entire, meal, you can just put a drop right in its food.
All right, we only have seconds left. I know you have so many for sleep, Calm, all the things, but what would you take on a travel trip? Besides the whole kit.
Yeah, because for us it's a lifestyle. So, we have a muscle and joint formula. We have pain and inflammation, which is great. You're on a long trip, you get a headache, you have something to go to that's non-toxic. We have a daily formula. We have a product called Resilience, which is great at the first sign of a symptom. Sometimes these summer colds go around. And it's incredible because usually by the end of the 2nd day, you're starting to feel better.
You're starting to feel better.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you guys so much. I always love it when you come on Bloom. And for more information, you can visit codehealthshop.com or find them on social media at Code Health Shop. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Code Health.